Now that we got a first look at Go and we got a first idea of what Go is, let me briefly talk about this course. What will you get out of this course? What can you expect from this course? This course will teach you the core fundamentals of the Go language, and we'll dive into all these core features in depth, step by step. And as mentioned in the previous lectures, you don't need any prior programming knowledge to follow along. It will help you, but it's not required, and you definitely need no Go language knowledge. Instead, we'll dive into all these core fundamentals step by step, and we'll dive into concepts like values, variables, data types, and working with Go modules and packages. We'll explore functions, splitting our code in functions, passing data between functions, and handling errors. We'll talk about a concept called pointers, and then also dive into more complex data structures like arrays, maps, slices, structs, and we'll also learn how to control code execution with control structures. I can only recommend that you simply have a look at the full course curriculum, since you see all the content there, and you will also always see if something gets added or something changed there. Now, I also won't just teach all these topics in boring theory, but instead you'll get all that theory, though hopefully not boring, but you will also get plenty of exercises and tasks and demo projects. Small dummy projects which we'll build throughout this course to show you how these different concepts are applied in real use cases. And at the end of this course, I also have a complete course project for you where we build a little mini game and where we basically then combine and apply all these topics that are covered in the individual course sections. And that's what you will get out of this course and how this course generally is structured.